Hey, what's up, guys? So today is January 30th, 2022. It is a Sunday, and we leave to go to our apartment in 2 days. So here is how here's how dirty our room is right now. We're trying to clean up, trying to get everything out. Look at all that. Everything's pretty much gone. Oh my goodness. I want to show you where everything's at. And here.
So does that say that they're going to be in the Super Bowl then?
And here, look at all that. Look at all that. That's everything, and we got some stuff in the garage. I'm going to show you.
What?
What's up?
Can you record me singing?
I did. I got a little bit of it.
Where you going?
I was going to show the camera the garage. How dirty it is before.
Oh my goodness.
Nice. You clean it up for me?
In 2 days, it'll be cleaned up. And this is the garage. That was Allison's dad singing. He's actually a pretty good singer. But we might keep this mattress from Allison's dad, and we might take the one in the room. We don't know for sure yet. I don't know what the plan is, but this is the couch. I can't wait till we use it. Yeah, these are some of the mattress, like the mattresses like that. I don't know what it's called. You know what I'm talking about, for the couch. But yeah, everything else is ours. We got our skateboard. We literally messed up their garage bad. Instapot. My bike. I'm bringing everything. So this garage is going to be so clean in 2 days. Well, 2 days we move, so maybe in like a week this place is going to look so clean. Look, we got the bed in, got the TV in here. Don't want to open it though because it's wrapped up in the blanket. Oh yeah, last load. We're gonna get our dogs this time too. And yeah, we're out. Got our own apartment, we're hanging out. That's what I'm talking about. We're gonna hang out. Oh, okay.
That's how we're keeping your average kidder.
Look, wait. Oh yeah, because that thing can just slide out, can it? This is how we do it, guys. Get that connected to that, connected to that. Hopefully nothing falls out. We're just gonna have to go like really, really
I don't know
slow.
why I cut this.
Alright guys, I'm going to show you guys a little bit of what we've done. I don't want to give you a full look of everything. We're not completely done anyways, but I am going to make a full video of how this place looks, fully furnished with all of our stuff in it. You know, a full tour of our apartment. This is just kind of like a video of us getting our shit in and just kind of seeing a little bit of it, but not all of it. So let's go. So.